Hey friends, welcome. This video is going to be a little different. I decided to voice over this video because there was lots of noise going on with this. So here you can see my hubby hanging my shelves for me. And then I decided to just do a little bit of organizing and film it. This is part of the reason why I have not filmed this whole process is because look at this mayhem. I mean, it's been crazy. So at the time of me filming this video, I am finally set up to record new videos for like crafting videos, but I'm still not completely finished with my whole room makeover. The video you see after this, when I'm, look at that old name tag, the video you're going to see next will be the completion. I've ordered all the bedding. We ended up getting a free bed from somebody to use in our space here because it's a guest space. And everything has kind of finally almost made its way out of here that needs to be out of here. And at this point, I am functioning in the space again. I also have officially passed my background investigation class, so I am certified, and by the time you're watching this video, I'll be getting close to taking my first case doing that. And so for this video here, I'm just going to kind of give you an update on where things are, and I'm going to continue to show you, my organization process here in this video. So I had a couple of these Alex drawer units that just didn't function anymore, like the one to the right that you see me moving everything out of. I'm moving everything out of it because that top drawer is broken and it doesn't close anymore. We've tried fixing it a few times. These are very, very old. I have had these Alex drawer units since my daughter was about 2. She's 16. So 14 years I've had these. They're super old. I had them when I had my craft room in my dining room. At one time, my craft room was in my dining room. And so these guys have really seen a lot of use, and I felt like I was justified in being able to get rid of a couple of them and throw them away because they had been used for so long. Everything in the craft room that I could repurpose and reuse, I did. I really did not spend any money redoing this space except for the cost of new bedding. I didn't have any queen size bedding, so I did have to purchase some queen size bedding. I got some inexpensive stuff off Amazon, and that was totally fine. I did some painting and touch-ups on the walls, and it was kind of funny. I actually used the wrong paint. It was mislabeled and painted the wrong color on my walls and then had to repaint it. So that was fun. But I have worked on getting my paper towers rehomed. I tried selling them, not very hard, I'll admit. And now I'm in the process of seeing if there's a school that would like them and could use them, and I will just be donating them. I just am ready to get this space taken care of, and I don't want to have to wait on people flaking. They say they want something, they say they're going to buy it, and then they flake and they never show up and all that rigmarole. I just don't want to deal with it. So here in this drawer is where I keep all of my stamps and like shipping stuff that I'm going to just for mailing out. I have this little book that I keep my stamps in, so I went ahead and organized and added stamps to that. These books can be found on Amazon. I will try to link to it below if you're interested in having a postage book. I actually found this idea from Christina Warner. Most of my ideas come from somebody else. I'm not a very innovative person in the way of like coming up with my own ideas. Usually I see somebody else do something and I'm like, that's a great idea. And then I do it. Everybody's got a role to play, right? Like some of us are innovators. Some of us are people who are like, that's a great idea, I'm going to make it better. And then there's me who's like, I ain't got time to figure it all out. So here is my like receipts drawer. and it really was gross and needed to be cleaned out. So I took care of that, got some paperwork dealt with, and I'm just moving all of this over to the new drawers that work because, like I said before, the other one didn't. What else is happening? Let's talk about it. After I've painted, and I'm looking over at my paint right now and seeing that I'm going to have to paint again because so this is what happened. I painted a color that was too dark. And of course the color that has to go over it is light. So now that dark color is bleeding through. So who knows how many layers I'm going to have to paint over to get this to work. I'm so frustrated with myself. I can't even tell you. They're all gray colors, but you know how like when you paint, sometimes it appears darker? That's basically what happened. So anyway, back to this organizing. So these are the shelves that I had my husband move behind me. And here I am just decorating them, getting them all set up. I ended up ordering more of these containers that you see me putting up there right now. So by the time you see the finished video, you're going to see a whole lot more of, this will be more organized and more put together is what I'm trying to say. But it'll be a little bit until I get that video up. So yeah, that's what's happening, you guys. This craft room has been a work in progress. It has been a lot of work, and we're finally like nearing the end where I think it'll just be this fully functional, awesome space. And here I am talking to a friend on the phone while I'm doing this, by the way. And, yeah, it's much cozier. I really, really like it. Oh, here it is, almost finished. This really isn't the end of it because I ended up ordering some more stuff that goes here. So those little things that are holding the Altenew ink blenders, I ordered like 3 more of those. And then this is my IKEA Calyx unit. And it still has more organization to have happen, but it's in a really good place now where I feel like it's functional. It's just not perfect, you know? I ended up selling all those punches that you saw to my friend Sandra. Pretty much everything is at this point where it's going to be. It's just not organized. So here I'm just kind of showing you an update of this space. Obviously still a lot left to do, but as I said, we're moving in the right direction, and that's what's important. If you want to see any more videos from me, click either one that you see here. You can watch my other craft room videos. I'll make sure to put them here. And I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye-bye.